What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be indoors and I'm going to be doing a stir fry, chicken and shrimp stir fry. Got the wok, it's heating up. Just going to add a little olive oil. Yeah, a little olive oil. That's not bad. Now we're going to add a little shrimp, raw shrimp that is. Getting that all sauteed up. Doesn't take long in a wok to get this all nice and cooked up. This is an electric wok. It's not a. I know I have it over the stove, but so yeah, this is not operated by the stove. It's plugged into the wall. Next, I'll be doing some chicken. Let that come out for a little bit while I cook the rest. Alright, last one. So now it's the chicken. I got that in the refrigerator. I cut this all up already. Add a little kosher salt. See that? And a little black pepper. I gotta be careful because those holes are a little big. There we go. I'll turn the chicken up. Turn it up just a little bit. There we go. I just love stir fry. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay. Yes. All right. Bye. Yeah, today we're indoors. I mean, it's nice outside, but we decided to have a little stir fry for supper today. Looks like it's almost done to take out. We cook all this once all the vegetables are done. Put it all together. And it looks pretty good. Get the chicken out. Add a little more, just a little more vegetable oil, not much. Now we're gonna saute up some onions. I love onions. Get them going a little bit here. Break them up a little bit. When we were kids, we used to fry up onions and make onion sandwiches. Hey, at least it was food on the table. Fried onion sandwiches or fried egg sandwiches. Yum. Alright. Cover it for a little bit. Oh, you know what? I'm going to add a little garlic too. I chopped up some garlic. There we go. Some fresh garlic. Add that with the onion. Yum. You can smell the garlic. It smells so good. I know you guys can't smell it, but trust me, it smells really good. Just let those cook a little bit, and then I'll add the rest of the vegetables. You know what? I think those are good. Now I'm going to add some mushrooms. Yeah. This is going to be a big stir fry. Saute that up. All right. Cover on. All right, how's it go? Looking here. Looking really good. Let that cook for a couple more minutes, and then it's the pea pods. pea pods are next. Let that simmer. Starting to get a little color. Okay, now we're going to add chopped up broccoli and chopped up cauliflower. I'll saute that a little bit. Let that steam in a little bit. I got this, it's called Ying's stir fry sauce. I don't know if you can see it there. No, I'm not sponsored by this. I don't get paid. I paid for this myself. As I understand, you can get this at Walmart, but I got this at our local grocery store. It's really good and it's really low on sodium. So, you know, probably one of the better stir fry sauces that don't have any or low sodium. A lot of them have a lot, and some of you out there that are watching your sodium intake, that would be one of the sauces I would recommend. Again, I'm not sponsored by it. I paid for it with my own money. So okay, now I'm going to add the chicken and the shrimp and the sauce. Saute this all up. Just let it simmer now. Turn it down a little bit. Doesn't that look yummy? When this is all ready to be eaten, I usually add cashews with mine. I just love cashew peanuts. And chow mein noodles, of course. All right, I'll let that simmer a little bit. And you can add whatever you would like to your own stir fry, but this is what we like. Sometimes we like that baby corn or water chestnuts, but this is all a lot of vegetables and onion and mushrooms and some chicken and shrimp. It smells so good. How's it looking? Oh, so good. Vegetables gotta get a little more tender. We had carrots, but we used that yesterday in our beef stew. So we don't have any carrots to add to this, but we would add maybe a couple carrots with this too. Okay, that's our stir fry. Again, it's not that hard to make, and it's really nice and healthy for you, as long as you add a lot of vegetables to it. You can even add beef if you want. You can make it, you know, 3 types of meat or whatever you want. But this is it. So, appreciate everyone watching. You know, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And I'll have another video out soon. Appreciate everyone watching. See you later.